Hey, what's up guys? I'm here in El Hotel Las Rocas in my new episode with my friend Javier Plascencia, one of the best chefs. I say one of the best. It's a #1 in Baja California right now. There's a handsome guy. All the ladies want to have a picture with him. And now in our house. So chef, thank you for coming.
Thank you, my pleasure. Lovely view. There's a great surf. I just came out of the water half an hour ago, but thank you for having me.
No, thank you for coming, and I know you have a little problem right now, and you're back, but you're okay, you know?
When you get my age, you start getting problems with everything, but my back is a little messed up, but I'm still standing.
Perfect. Chef, I make today aguachile de pata de mula, so I want you to help me a little bit.
Okay.
Try to make something different, talking a little bit about your life, about what do you think about Baja, inviting the people to come to Baja, inviting the people in San Diego to Baja Window to the south. The more important thing and for this episode is the people come and enjoy Baja California, Valle de Guadalupe, Ensenada, Rosarito, Tecate, Mexicali. Now Baja California is the #1, in my opinion, because he have product, he have view, he have amazing chefs, and like I said, you're the #1 to put the name of Baja in all of the world.
I'm not the #1, but I'm the oldest.
No, you
a pioneer.
And that's really important to the kids coming to the school, and I like you say something to these guys because it's really hard. Working in the kitchen is, it's a lot of hours, it's many hours. It's try to make the difference because the kids right now think like, oh, I want to be like Chef Javier Plascencia, but he don't know how much you're working hard to be a Javier Plascencia, because it's not like, oh, I'm the title, I have no, especially because I know a lot of people have a chef, but like I said, sometimes I see you in France, sometimes I see in San Diego, sometimes Mexico City, because you never say no. You always try to put the name of Mexico on the top. Yes?
Thank you. Yeah, we try to, we're promoting Baja California. It's cuisine, of course. It's wines, it's craft beers, ingredients, of course. And we always try to go whatever we get invited. I mean, you can't say yes to everything or everyone, but because we still have 8 restaurants to run, and we have an amazing team of young guys, and now my family is involved as well, my daughters and my kids, and makes it easier for me to be traveling and overseeing the restaurants that I have here in Baja Norte and Baja Sur. And we also do a little bit of consulting, and we love what we do. We love Baja California, we love Mexican cuisine. As you all know, Baja California cuisine is the newest cuisine of Mexico. We are very young still, but we are making history. So we need to document everything that we're doing and talk to the kids. I go a lot to university cooking schools to talk to the kids, and also, yeah, they know what this craft, what we do, it's all about. It's hard work. It's a lot of years for me to be where I am now, and a lot of sacrifices. It's not everything about, I may look like it's fun all day, but it's hard work.
Really hard work.
But I love it. If you have the passion for it, and I think for me it's not working, it's just having fun. And
exactly. Somebody pay you for something you love it.
Exactly.
Right?
So I think that's why we are successful, and just keep the passion alive, and respect for the ingredient, for the region, for the land, and for the people, and that's it. It's very simple.
It's simple, and guys, one of the best, say something about Baja, say something about the products, is synonym the #1. So, and now I start to make the pata de mula aguachile. So can you help me to pull it up the meat? How long you start to surfing, chef?
I've been surfing for 35 years or so.
35 years?
Or maybe a little bit more.
Oh my God.
Let's see. Yeah, like 36 years. I learned how to surf in Carlsbad. I went to military school there. My parents, I got kicked out of school here in Tijuana. And as a punishment, my parents took me to this military school in Carlsbad, which was amazing. I had a great time. And that's where I learned to surf.
Oh, wow.
And I kept surfing till now.
I told the producer and the camera guy about when you in the middle to the ocean, and I say, one of these is Javier Plascencia. And it's really funny because all the ladies go to the cafe to drink something, and I see like 5 or 6 different guys in the middle to the ocean talking about I don't know what. But it's funny, maybe it's the spot for the men in the middle to the water. That's what I think. So now, what do you think if I put a little bit of onion?
You want to cut it or just
It's up to you. You're the chef, told me.
This is really nice clam. It's very pata de mula. I only seen it in Baja California. I've never seen it anywhere else. I think I heard someone that they have it like in Asia.
Oh, which one is your favorite seafood?
My favorite seafood is probably sea urchin. I really love the flavor, the texture, and
talking a little bit about this product in Baja. What do you think in the few years about this type of percebes?
Well, percebes, it's barnacles, which they eat them a lot in Spain. That's where I first had them. And they're just very simple. You have them just natural, no lemon, no salt, anything. And they're amazing. It's full of ocean flavor. And I discovered that we have percebes here in by Maneadero, where we get a lot of the vegetables. There's a beach there that there's percebes, and it's very clean water there. And we get them from there from time to time. So we start to put them on the menu. Okay. And a lot of people don't know what they are and how to eat them, but as a cook, it's fun to teach people and tell them about the product, and when they have it for the first time, if they love it, the expression that they make, that's really cool. I love that about.
Go to the next one. I put a little bit of onions. You like this or a little bit more chopper?
No, let's do it like this.
Okay.
Peruvian style.
Okay. I have over there is the mix already. Have a tomatillo, chile serrano, onion, and garlic. I don't know how much.
Try it.
Try it. Good?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay. Right here is a different salsa, and I have a chipotle mayo for the tostadas if somebody want it.
And then what is this?
That's orange juice with ginger. But there's a little bit of ginger.
Let's put a little bit.
Don't forget, come to try every single restaurant. This guy, this amazing chef, he have amazing recipes and amazing experience. And every single restaurant you come in Baja, you love it. You love his experience. So, and I need to try this one, guys. So yeah. Cheers.
Salud.
Saludcita con tostada. Baja Window to the south, Medina Baja flavors. Thank you, chef.
Thank you, it's a pleasure.